heading out, back on the road, guys. Feels good.
across Kootenay Lake to Crawford Bay.
Getting off the ferry, I gotta wait till last for safety, obviously. So hey everyone, just the end of the day here. Left my aunt and uncle's place in just outside of Nelson in Crescent Valley actually. Had a great time there, really did. Spent pretty much 5 days. Gained a little weight back, thank God. But I'll have to be careful not to lose it right off again. So yeah, had a good day. Did about, I think it ended up being about 65 kilometers. I'll have to double check that though, but somewhere around there, maybe closer to 70. But yeah, the legs felt a little heavy at first, but actually felt pretty good, to be honest with you. Actually, pretty much kept up with two people on road bikes for probably about 30 kilometers, which might say more about their physical level than mine, I guess. But anyways, yeah, feeling good. Rented this cool little cabin here at Crawford Bay RV and campground. So $30. You can see what it is. It's kind of just a rustic cabin. Ceiling fan, three beds actually. So $30, three people could technically share this for $10 each. So yeah, I got everything in here. There is a door with a lock for it. So when I go take a shower. But yeah, so that's the shower area right there. And then you just got your RV ground here going. Pretty nice place actually, and it looks like it'll be pretty quiet. It doesn't look like a party place, so yeah. That's her right there. I'm trying to block the sun. So yeah, it's just like that one over beside me anyways. Yeah, so that's it. Just gonna head over and grab a shower right now actually, so I'll check in with you guys later. Everybody, just waking up here. Well, been up for a while, but just been getting ready to hit the road here. It's probably about 9 o'clock now. Would have liked to have left probably about an hour ago, but I needed to wait for the store to open so I could get some water and some other things. So yeah, just heading out from Crawford Bay, heading for Kimberaly, but I don't know if I'll get there today. Quite a bit of climbing, and it's about 80 kilometers altogether. Well, probably closer to 95. So yeah, that's the goal. Probably will just be wild camping tonight, which is awesome. So yeah, just heading out from Crawford Bay, and I'll talk to you later. Everybody have a great day. Bye.
Drive all night and you're almost home. You sing along the song on the radio. Your dashboard lights and your engine moans. The last time you left was long ago. And when you arrive, the half hugs and empty eyes, and everyone stops asking where you've been. Then you realize that while you were out chasing prize, everybody else got settled in. You, an old horse, you are now once a young gun. Now the door is locked, all the lights are. Leave your face numb. You saw the world spin while your homespun. You saw the world spin while your homespun. And off you go and on you ride. You never felt so lost and left behind. Your head lights glow on your heavy mind, shining on the road and now you're blind. You can hope to stretch ahead a silver line. And when you return back to town, a place you yearn, is the only one who knows where you've been. It'll be no surprise, while everyone has lived their lives, the memories you left them were thin. A young gun. Now the door is locked, all the lights are. Leave your
about 80K in today. Was hoping to get further, but still 80 is a really good day for the setup. Just camping here along this Forest Service road. Unfortunately, I couldn't find anything better, but I don't anticipate there'll be much traffic, especially once it gets dark. So yeah, anyways, that's it. Wrapping up the day, and I just wanted to check in. So hope everybody has a great night, and I'll talk to you later.